increase the surface area of the small intestine. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का सरफेस एरिया बहुत बढ़ जाता है, जिससे बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि सारा का सारा जो एब्जॉर्प्शन का प्रोसेस है वो यहीं पर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में कंप्लीट हो सके, और ऐसा ही होता है. एंड इट अकर्स. 1 मिनट. यस. सो दिस विलाई हैज ब्लड कैपिलरीज. इसमें ब्लड कैपिलरीज आर प्रेजेंट, and also a lymph system is present. Lymph system. And this lymph actually absorb the fats, fatty acid and glycerol, and remaining part of the digesting components, that is the protein and carbohydrate, is passed on to the absorbed by the blood capillaries. ये blood capillaries इनको absorb करती है, capillaries, and take to the tissues or various cells of human body. So in this way the digestion of the main component of human food is completed where? In small intestine, with the help of these finger-like projections known as the villi. What villi? Actually, villi are the finger-like projections throughout the inner wall of small intestine, which make available the large surface area. Surface area बढ़ जाएगा तो absorption का process भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होगा. And in this way, protein, carbohydrate, and fats are completely absorbed by villi, and the process of digestion almost completed in a small intestine. After it, clear? In small intestine, protein is converted into amino acids, carbohydrate into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. These all are absorbed by villi, the finger-like projections, in which lymph and blood capillaries are present. Lymph system absorb the fats and take to the larger veins. Blood capillaries absorb the other two components, protein and carbohydrates, that is amino acid and glucose, and pass on to the different tissues of human body for the further action. What villi do? Actually, villi make available the larger surface area for the process of absorption. Is it clear? Now, from small intestine, the rest of the food, digested food, the rest of the digested food, बचा हुआ, rest of the undigested food, pass on to the where? Large intestine में पास हो जाता है यहां से, where extra water is absorbed. यहां पर विलाई एब्सेंट है, यहां विलाई नहीं होते हैं, विलाई एब्सेंट. बस इसका जो सरफेस है लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का आपको याद होगा, इस प्रकार से कंस्ट्रक्शन वाला बनाया था मैंने आपको. and ends up to the where? Rectum. And in this area what happens? The remaining water which is present in undigested food, it is absorbed, and then this undigested food pass on to the rectum. में बचा हुआ water completely absorb कर लिया जाता है, and on natural call the completely undigested food is thrown out with the help of anus. With the help of anus by the opening of sphincters. स्फिंक्टर्स, ये सब आपको पहले बता चुका हूँ. सर्कुलर रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, ये ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज रहती है ये रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एनस में, और जब नेचुरल कॉल फील होती है तो ये ओपन हो जाता है और हम जो भी एक्सक्रीटा है, जो एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट है, एनस के थ्रू शरीर से बाहर निकाल देते हैं. सो इन दिस वे completely the digestion process is completed. One more thing is still remaining. In rectum there is also the secretion of mucus जो कि स्टमक में था. Why? ये यहाँ हेल्प कर रहा है lubrication के लिए. Lubrication, making the surface very smooth, making the undigested food smooth, for the smooth removal of excreta or the smooth removal of the undigested food which is known as the human fecus, and through the anus. So in this way the functioning of digestive system completed. Now, so once again, complete in nutshell, digestion starts at buccal cavity with the help of salivary glands. Carbohydrate into sugar, then pass on to the stomach. In stomach, protein starts digesting with the help of protein digesting enzymes. Pepsin work in acidic medium. Acidified food pass on to the small intestine. Here the number of enzymes work and the process of digestion completed, and rest of the water is absorbed by rectum, inner walls of rectum. It also releases the mucus, secretes the mucus, makes the for the lubrication, for the easy passing of the excreta from our body. So students, in this way you can see it again and again, observe and watch carefully, and so in this way the 4 part of videos I have completely explained you the human digestive system. Is it clear? Thank you once again. Best of luck. Like and subscribe my channel edu.learnscience. Thank you.